Hello and welcome to another episode of Sanity Killer Projects. Today I'm going to talk about, this is what you see on the dash here, this service shifter light. The main purpose of this video is just to explain that there is no real fix for it. The service shifter comes on at all sorts of random times in my car. Usually when it comes on, a cold morning, I pre-warm up the car before driving it. As soon as I start driving, something gets hot and it turns on. In other cases, like today, I went over a hard bump while I was driving on my way home. It just turned on. The telltale sign is this service shifter comes on, and if you hit OK to clear the message, which you can kind of see my finger there blocking it, nothing happens. It doesn't come off. Also, the other thing that happens is all the lights light up on the shifter mechanism down there. It disables your manual shift. See how all the letters light up? And then when I go back into regular drive, it goes into drive. You can't manually shift up or down. Really common with anybody that owns one of these KL Jeeps. I've read in the forums of dealerships replacing all sorts of wiring harnesses. The most common one is one underneath the center console. They rip the entire center console out. There's a wiring harness down in there that connects the wiring to the shifter itself. I've never actually heard of anybody doing a fix that repairs this. I've heard it made it go away for a little while, and then at some point later it comes back. So I wish I had better news for you on this one, but as far as I know, this is just a common problem. It doesn't stop the functionality of the car. The car still drives exactly the way the car is supposed to drive. You just lose all your instrumentation on that center screen and your ability to manually shift up and down through the gears. Doesn't matter if it's a 4-cylinder or the 6-cylinder. It's some sort of electrical issue. You can plug in a computer to it. It's not going to read anything in particular other than the fact that it has this service shifter. It doesn't have any sort of way of describing how to fix it. So if you have information that may lead towards a real fix for this, let me know in the comments. I've never heard of one. So thanks again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep making more videos. Thanks.